Can we use Spotify songs as ringtones on iPhone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can use Spotify songs as ringtones on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing is you'll need to open up your Spotify and log in into your account. Also, to use any song as ringtone on your iPhone, you'll first need to be able to download the song on your iPhone. Now it should be on your files, and if it is not there or if it is on a single app, you won't be able to do so. So to be able to download songs on Spotify, you'll actually need its premium version. So this is a premium Spotify, and if you've downloaded any songs on your Spotify and if you just open that up, you'll notice that the songs that you have downloaded is only added to your Spotify's account. It's not really added to your phone. Now you can search the song on your iPhone, you can search for different folders and every other places available in your iPhone, but you won't find it. So if you don't find that, that means that you cannot use it as your ringtone on iPhone. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. I hope this video was informative for you. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.